And let's see what happens with borders. So we've got border and outline. So let's click, and we start with borders, and we've got border, we've got the same four things. So we've got border for bottom, top, left and right. We're only going to see about the bottom, but it's the same thing for the others. So border, bottom color, we've got this. So border, bottom color, and then you can write whatever you want as a color. And for example, I'm gonna let you find out what this color is. Let's go back to what we've learned about hexadecimal color coding. So this is gray, red, green, and blue RGB. So this means that there is saturated red, no green, and no blue. So the color is going to be red. So border and bottom color, and then we are going to take the style, border bottom style, and you've got dotted or dashed or solid, double, etc. We're going to take this one, the dotted, and then we're going to work on the width, which is going to be here, border bottom width. Go thin and thick and medium, or you can use pixels. I'm going to take thick. Of course, that's okay. I'm ready, and I want to see the result now. And I'm going to do F5. Press F5. This is what happens. So what I had was so the color is red, you've got dotted, and then you've got width of 15 pixels. I can do thin, or let's say thick, and that's more, well, I wouldn't say beautiful, but more acceptable. So you can do the whole thing all over, you know, the four sides. Let's pay attention to something I didn't talk about before. You see here that we've got bottom color, bottom style, and bottom width. The three of them, you can unite them. So if I read here, sets all the bottom border properties in one declaration. So that means you can combine the three in only one. So what I've written here, I can do the same thing like this, bottom, and then I take directly the values. I need space in order to separate the values, and thick. It doesn't matter the order in which I'm going to present the values for the properties, because it understands that dotted cannot be cannot be a possible value for the bottom color. Is going to be for this style, bottom style. So it's going to think, it's going to make our lives, the browser is going to make our life easier by not obliging us to follow a specific order. And there you go, and this is the same result as before. And then we can work on the outline. The outline is actually outside of the border. So we've got outline, color, style, and width, and it's, I suppose, yeah, it's the same thing. So I can do the same thing, write it down, and it's going to be outline, and okay, so there you go. Let me make it a bit clearer. I'm gonna make it green. So here you go, and you can have it dashed or solid or double, doesn't matter here. And I don't know what a reach looks like, so let me try. Okay. I don't know what it does, depends on the outline color value. So something, let's say here, yeah, that's not very interesting. Well, okay, well, yeah, the difference, there's no shades, it's a part of the outline that becomes something else. But okay, I'm not gonna, yeah, I'm not gonna stay at that point. And then you've got of course both image art setting, repeat, and all that, but we're not going to talk about them because they are only acceptable in CSS 3, so this is not the reach of our tutorial. So that's the end of the board properties.